Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773. So if you are trying to complete Special Ops 76 level, so watch this video till end. So first you'll fail so many times, but by watching this video you can complete it. So I'm gonna show you in slow motion, but before that you have to do one thing which is very necessary. Okay, so guys, to complete the 76 special ops mission you need to do this thing I'm going to show you. Go to your profile, then go to general settings and make sure your graphics quality is high, not at low, not at medium, but it at high. And also turn off the power saving mode and you can play it. So guys, I'm gonna show you very slowly. So first, you have to wait for a perfect timing of these chakras. Go to left, then go to right, then go to left in zigzag motion and stay in middle of these two chakras and you'll get through them. Once you get through them, go to left side and stay as left as you can, so you can avoid killing your units and get this 40 and try to be in middle so your units can stay alive. Then they will kill these units and then these spikes are coming, so you have to ignore them and go to right and you'll have some alive. And after that also ignore these spikes and get these 40s. Okay, so now we have 56 units, so we can now complete the level. So as you can see, we have almost completed our level. Now the zombies will be killed by these 58 soldiers and I will get 58 unit soldiers of high level for free. So you can play as I told you in this video. Do as exactly steps as I have told you to do and boom guys, you can see I have completed the mission in very few turns. Okay, so follow all the steps, and for more videos like this please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more content on Warzone Last War games. You can see I can now move to 77.